Yes, day 40 of 100. Let's get right to it. Thank you, God, for another day. I am healthy, I am wealthy, I am wise. Peace to the gods. Keep growing. Keep motivating yourself to live a more fulfilled life. And don't ever be afraid to do things on your own. Take yourself on a date. Take yourself to that comedy show. Take yourself on that bike ride. It's very empowering to do things alone. Allow yourself to be excited, to discover something new about yourself. I need to let my Monstera soak some water from the bottom. I'll get one of those pots soon. Everything growing, flourishing, looking good. Most definitely getting stronger. I was only able to do 10 pull-ups. Knocked out 15 this time. Man, I had to cut my dips a little short today. This metal bar just keep cutting into my hand. It don't feel good, but it'll be alright. Allow yourself to stretch every morning. Stay in motion. If you don't move it, you will lose it. Trust me, I was not able to meditate in this position. My legs would not fold for nothing. See yourself completing the goal that you desire. Focus your mind and stay determined. You will get results. Stop worrying about how long this shit gonna take. God gonna put a date on it. He wanna see how dedicated you are. And if you gonna really stick with it. God got you. Stay peaceful, stay blessed up, grow by any means. Back at it tomorrow. Love.